Love the new Ikon V2 Louver for the 2015 Dodge Charger. I followed the instructions that Scotty did on his Charger. Everything worked out perfect. I didn't get up to 150 like Scotty did. I only got 75, but still, same application that he used, I used, no issues. Same thing, no issues. As you see, it's on real tight. I followed the same instruction that Scotty said. I even put the little easy lips on them because they was, like he said, it was kind of loose. I also did that. As you see, walking around the car, pulling up on it, works great. I appreciate everything you said, Scotty. I followed it to the T, worked out fine. Appreciate it. Thank you.